Today I'm going to be showing you how to write a bass line like Skin on Skin. Skin on Skin absolutely blew up after his track Burn Them Bridges. This is it being played at Boiler Room in Belfast. It's a fucking banger. It's basically just built along that bass line, like as soon as the song starts. And then it's got a sort of like a rap vocal. It sounds like a UK drill record. Not too sure where that song was actually from. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to write your own today. So the track I'm using is Gangsta's XY Constant, which you'll recognise unless you live in a cave. It's got this good rap bit here, which is gigs. So it's the right sort of vibe as a Skin on Skin track. We could pitch it up, but we just keep it down for now on what it is. Because obviously his version is pitched up, unless the guy's got a really high pitched voice, not too sure. Anyway, so we're in the key of G major. So let's put it in key G major. And let's open up Serum. Today I'm going to be using the Eurotrance Volume 3 pack. And I've got a Burn Them Bridges preset. I've also got a spin-off, which is a Build Them Bridges from that same pack. But yeah, today we're going to be using the Burn Them Bridges. Great, so let's find the root note of G. A very easy hack, and this pattern works with every song, is if you put a third, and then a half, so this. And then you can just repeat that. And let's just hear that it does work with the track. Works. Now we can start figuring out the notes. So we can go up or we can go down. Obviously we can't sound the same. So, and then we could go down here. So if you go one above, so this is the first and then the second, that always works. That doesn't work, so let's try going up more. And that doesn't work. The C, because that's just 1, 1, 1. So we've gone 1, 2, like we're counting up the scale, right? So 1 would be the G, 2 is the A, B is the third, and then the fourth, for whatever reason, never works. So you have to skip up to the fifth. Great, so now we've got that first pattern. Let's try and write a different one. But yeah, that's a very easy way, just to go 1, 2, 3, and then the fifth. And yeah. Obviously this sound helps, and it's from the Eurotrance Volume 3 pack. This pack has over 70 different presets for making Eurotrance, just like Skin on Skin, Ketema, Marlon Hofstad, DJ Heartstring, and many, many others. The link for that pack is in the description. Definitely check that out if you haven't got it already. Great, now we've written the first one, let's try and write a second one. So then one thing we can do when we've got this pattern is then duplicate it and then change it slightly in the second. So instead of this going up, we can maybe bring it back to the A. And then now we've got 2 and we can just duplicate them along. Let's chuck a kick in quickly so we can hear it a little bit better. So I'm going to put the kick on every beat. And now we can test to see if it works on the rest of the track as well. And it works. We could try and write another bass line now, so let's just delete all these. One thing a lot of like sort of trancey tracks tend to do is sort of build up to that G. So we could start on the C. And then we can end on the root note, which that actually maybe works better. And we can grab that G and then we could start it here. So for example, in this section. Maybe that works better. We could also maybe add some up notes. So at the end of each bar, Something like this. That works. Again, we could try and change the pattern. So rather than this, we have something like this maybe. Or just thirds. Just pitch it up higher so I can hear the notes a little bit better. Great, and that is how you write a bass line like skin on skin.